Hello friends, today we will see what we have to do in the chess competition for the class 3 to 5th. In these instructions, it is written that we have to arrange both white pieces and both the black piece also. And we have to arrange one time, then disarrange, arrange again, disarrange and arrange again. Means you have to arrange and disarrange for 3 times, and the kid who will do this process fastest will be chosen as the winner. So first I am going to tell you what will be the position of all pieces. First of all, we will see the position for the black. Here we have to note that if you are playing with white, then the white queen will always be on the light square. It will not be on the dark square. So here I have the white queen. I have placed here. Now the king of the white will be on black square and it will be just right of the queen. So here is the king and here we place. Now in the opposite side, it's the same. The both queens will be facing each other, this queen and this queen, and the both kings will be facing each other, this king and this king. Here in black, you may see that the black queen is always should be on the black square. Now there are 8 pawns in these rows, and you can see images that in this whole row there are pawns only. So this is simple. You have to just keep the 8 pawns you have got in the row like this. Okay, and for white also I am keeping. Okay, so now we will go for the other pieces which we have left. The other pieces that are in the game of chess are the rook, the knight and the bishop. The 2 bishops which are of each of different colored squares, means one bishop is of white square and one bishop is of black square, will be placed just beside the king and queen. So I place one bishop here and one bishop here. This I will do the same for the white. One bishop here, one bishop here. Now we will come to the knights. The knights will always be beside the bishop, and that also on both the sides. That means we have to place one knight here and one knight here. Take care that the rooks of each color will be on the cornered square of the whole board. May it be white or may it be black. And now I am going to piece the last 2 pieces of white that are knight. They should be always be in between of bishop and rook. So here I placed one and here I placed the another knight. So we have now completed the whole process. This process you have to arrange one time, then disarrange, and that process you have to repeat 3 times. Okay, thank you.